If you have a business to choose from which has 5 reviews and another one has 50 reviews, which one would you go for? The answer is the 51. Every single person will go to 50%. So similarly, your prospect are searching for your business over internet and you are not ranking over there, meaning that you are losing business to your competitors. So you are trying to collect more reviews, but it is a lot of hassle because sometimes you feel awkward to ask review requests from your customers. But here is a way that you can find more reviews for yourself without using the QR codes and telling them and requesting them to scan for your business and give you a review. What we are doing here is, this is a simple software which we are going to use today. So it has a tons of features over here. One of it is reputation management. They are providing website and the AI chatbot in the website and the review management. And in the review management, if you come over here, what you need to do is simple. That you need to connect your business profile over here and set up a review link. Once that's done, any contacts that you have, you can just upload it over here, and once they have any contact, so you can, in a quick of a button, you can send a review request to anyone. Send a review request, select your contact. Let's say Maria has done the particular, you have just serviced her, and then you want to just connect with her and send her a review request. You can just select if it is already added into your database. So once that's done, so particular, you can send all of them at once, and you can send WhatsApp everything to them, and then you start winning more review requests. What if like you don't want to get hassle? You can also turn on particular card if there is a trigger over the automation where I'll be jumping over. You can collect 100 reviews. We have practically done this for a landscaping business. I can even show you that particular thing for you. 100 plus reviews in a day. They have doesn't matter if you are in business for 20 years or 30 years. If you have just 5 to 10 reviews or 30 reviews in the Google, if your competitors has more, he will outperform you at any time. So especially most of the people are searching particularly in Google if you have a local service based business especially. So any business, it's very crucial to have. And how we have done this particular campaign to them, anyways, this lead winner is just $97. You can just start a free trial and still get 100 reviews for yourself in a week. So that's the fun part of it. If you are not taking action, then you are losing, my friend. I don't want you to lose that. So let's say you already have a service like 500 or 300 people already. What you need to do is import that list over the contact section and come over here. Don't worry if you're feeling very complicated, because this particular team will help you set up as well. You can just start your free trial and the onboarding, they'll do it everything for you. This is a good little hack. You can tell them I'm not techie and some things, and they will do it for you. So once a review request is triggered in your contact list while you uploaded, then what happens is every person will get a review request. Once you have set up the profile, then hello, may I kindly request a moment of your time to share your thoughts with us through a review for my business. It's quick process, it's just step 30, and it just not only stops at one, it continuously messages them, and it knows like when they have reviewed. Until they have reviewed your business, until they have clicked and actually reviewed, you don't need to worry about like getting 1 star or 3 star as well, because the 1 to 3 star will get filtered out, and only the 4 and 5 will get published. Only like 1 to 3 star, it gets into your feedback forum, and other will be published in your Google My Profile. That's the beauty of this system, this tool. And you can it's completely like, it has 3 reminders over here, and once this done, it's done. Here is the link, and once they have done the particular targeting, they have reviewed you, you'll get an notification saying that Chris or anyone has clicked your review link. Thank them if they left a review. And what here it does is it gives you a lot of edge over your competitors, and you don't want to lose it on. So go ahead and sign up for this software. It's very good, and if you don't like, you can cancel it anytime after you get the reviews as well. Until then, bye bye, take care. See you in the next video. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon.